Yo, it is just way too many brands out in the world for everybody to be shopping at the same spots. Everybody's starting to look the same and it's starting to look kind of boring. So what I'm gonna do is show y'all this new retail brand that y'all could go shop at, look stylish, and still save a pretty penny while y'all doing y'all shopping. Y'all know how we do it. Let's get right to it. Roll camera.
Enlightened creature here, ain't no man that I'ma fear. Godly and I hardly fuck with peasants. Go and fetch my beer.
What's good, YouTube? It's your homeboy Camcorder Banks, the headwear connoisseur, streetwear lover, straight like that. Y'all know how that goes, man. Welcome to my channel, Coolin' with Camcorder, where you will get content focused on streetwear, sneaker content, and menswear fashion, all in the same sitting. Now today I got something special for y'all because today I've been seeing so many people look on YouTube, talk on YouTube about the same brands. Everybody is looking the same because they are shopping at the same brands. Nobody is pushing the limit of being creative or stylish. So at this point, it's boring as hell to look at people just dress up in the same pattern when they talk about streetwear lifestyles. Getting hella boring. So what I wanted to do, I got a few pieces from this brand called CottonOn. Yeah, that's right, CottonOn. I got a few pieces and I wanted to show y'all what pieces I got. It's not too many, but it's just a few. I wanted to show y'all that. And this is a brand where y'all can do some real good shopping at because it will help you push the boundaries of your style. Like if you stepping outside, if you dressing the same, everybody gonna get used to it. Like I've said before, everybody get used to it. Everybody starts to get bored when they know what you're about to wear. It's boring. So what I'm about to do is go ahead and show you this brand real quick. Let's just hop right into it. Now before we move forward, I wanted to give a quick shout out to the brand Dead Roses. As y'all see, like I talked about this brand a while ago and I gave it a review. Y'all can go and check that out right up there. Y'all can go tap on that button and check out the review that I gave. With that being said, if you are new and you haven't subscribed to this channel, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and slap that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that notification bell while you at it and make sure that you hit that like button for me because this will help my channel grow to its fullest potential. Now let's just hop right into this. Let's get this box open real quick and let's just do it, bro. Roll camera. Boom. All right. I know y'all see it. CottonOn. I like how I say it. It's just something plain. It's not too much. It ain't gotta be all crazy graphic designs and everything like that. It's just real chill on there, man. I appreciate that. So CottonOn, let's go ahead and get right to it, man. Again, I have lost my knife, bro. I don't know where the hell my knife is. So we about to use the scissors that we did last time. So don't judge me, bro. Let's flip this thing open. Boom! I'll pour that out anyway. But I got two pieces, man. First thing first, like I said, I'm the headwear connoisseur, so it's only right that I actually get me a hat to go with it. It's the summertime, so I wanted to go with something that was really stylish. It's in style for all seasons, actually. And I'm really interested in these. These are really chill hats. It's not too heavy. It got some really good fabric on here, like something that it's like a kind of like a windbreaker on here. It say bootleg on it. I brought that just simply because to say bootleg is pretty funny to me. It's pretty dope. I love the colors, and y'all know I love teal, man. Teal, purple, and black. Dope color that go to it. And y'all can check out my video up top that I'm about to show y'all. Y'all can see how I actually did a photo shoot with it. Shout out to the photographer Kenneth Dixon, man. The boy was on fire with these photos, so I appreciate him, man. Y'all can go check him out. Y'all can see how I freaked this out, man. This hat is pretty fire. I actually enjoy it on the front. Nice fabric. It's like a windbreaker type of fabric on here, so it definitely can breathe in whether it's hot or whether it's cold. The hat's gonna breathe, so I'm appreciative of that. On here, it's like this. Instead of like a snapback, it's a strap back. Actually, it is kind of like a snapback on here. Like you can snap that off. You can snap this off. You can snap it on, and then you just pull the tag to adjust. All right. And this was on sale. Actually, I got this on sale, and it was like 10 bucks. It was like 10 bucks. It wasn't nothing too big. It wasn't nothing too big. Wasn't nothing too crazy. But it was something that's simple. I don't like everything always like crazy colors and crazy designs. It's nothing that I'm always into. Sometimes you just gotta keep it chill, keep it simple, man. Y'all just gotta go ahead and do your thing with something simple, man. Like I said, it only went for $10. So nobody is gonna look at my hat like, nah, man, that's $10. I can tell it's only $10. Come on, bro. Nobody is gonna really know like that, bro. My style is gonna be fuego, you feel me? Next up is these Drake roll-up pants. Now listen, when I say this is fire, bro, these are fire. Let me roll this out. These are Drake roll-up pants. Y'all can see on the video now, like I'm about to post it, show y'all what it look like really. The reason that I like this is because they have this stretch type of fabric on here, man. Like I really do love anything that have a little bit of stretch to it. It's more comfortable when you walking inside of these pants, man. It's like, you know, when you wear jeans and it doesn't have that stretch fabric, it's kind of hard and tough to walk in sometimes, depending on what type of brand you went with, whatever type of jeans you went with. And if they're heavy, it's gonna be hot as hell. These actually breathe. And it has some really good quality to these pants, man. You can wear this as a streetwear, you can wear this in lifestyle, or you can wear this if you're trying to be like, you know, go to work, be corporate, and you have some casual pants. So you can freak this in any way you want to. And the best part about this is the roll up. Like I said, they call them Drake roll up pants because you can actually roll these up and they will stay. Now I showed you all how to do the pinwheel, which was pretty simple. A cheap way to roll up your pants instead of having to take them to the cleaners and get them altered. You could do like the pinwheel roll up on your pants and they'll stay. And that takes time. Actually, these pants you don't have to do the pinwheel roll up. All you have to do is just roll them up instead of having a twist bag, flip it up, twist again, flip it up again just so it can stay. All you have to do is just roll these pants up. Roll them once, roll them twice. It's up to you, and the pants will stay because of that stretch fabric that's in there. So once you roll them up, they stretch out and they squeeze back in. So it's like a slim taper type of look when you're wearing these pants. And on top of that, you know the style is in for everybody to be wearing for everybody to show their socks. So whenever you wear your sneakers, your boots, or you just wearing some nice shoes and you want to show off them sock skills, bruh, this is the perfect pants to go with. So these pants right here, fire, and they only went for $15. Like, bruh, I got these for $15 on sale. Actually, the actual price on this was like $34.99. Yeah, it was $34.99, and I got these for 15 bones, bruh. I held out for a while, and I ended up getting these for $15, and they stayed in the size 36, so I wear a size 36. But yeah, I actually got my bang for my buck, so I only spent $25, like I said, $10, 15. I only spent $25 in total with like shipping and everything. It came to like $34 altogether, the regular price of these pants. So it came like, I think like $32, $34 or something like that. But still, I got a good deal just for two pieces that I can actually wear, and whether it's gonna be a lifestyle, if I'm trying to dress in lifestyle, if I'm trying to dress up in streetwear, or if I want to dress like corporate casual or whatever it may be, listen, I could still get away with these pieces. So like I said, you need to go ahead and hop on this wave, bro. Go ahead and shop on CottonOn here to keep money in your pocket, and you can still be stylish whether you're trying to get t-shirts, whether you're trying to have pants or jackets or whatever it may be. It have a huge selection of different clothes for men's fashion. This brand itself is kind of like I would say this brand is kind of like your Forever 21, your H&M, your PacSun, your Uniqlo, like things like that, because they have really good quality for the price that they are at. And I actually like these clothes because it has like different colors. It's not the same old same blue jeans, black jeans, plain old rip pants. Like if you're looking for a different type of pants to wear, whether it's chino pants, whether it's stretch pants, boot cut, straight leg, whatever it may be, you're trying to get some different type of styles and different type of color in your closet with your pants, CottonOn is the brand to go to. With all that being said, man, I just wanted to show y'all these two pieces real quick. I just wanted to show y'all a new brand, a new retail shop that y'all could go do some online shopping at and save some money and be stylish with, man, and keep some money in your pocket, most importantly, like I said. With that being said, I appreciate y'all watching this quick video from me, man. I appreciate y'all. So again, before I leave this video, I want y'all to go ahead and slap on that notification bell. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and make sure that you hit that like button and show your homeboy some love so we can break through that algorithm, you feel me? And let's keep these videos going, man. And like I said, I appreciate y'all, man. Thank y'all for joining me on this video. I'm your homeboy Camcorder Banks. I'll get at y'all next time. I'm out. I'm gone. I'll holler at you. Peace.
Enlightened creature here. Ain't no man that I'ma fear. Godly and I hardly fuck with pets.